how you kill a Lego guy. Okay, 1 second. Let's have a moment of silence for the ones who have done it. Okay, it's time. Okay, so we have him in the stomach like this, as you can see. So now we're going to go for the head kill. Okay. Almost got it. There. So there's that. Don't stop it yet. Okay.
Goldfish.
Okay, the goldfish is gonna die.
Goldfish will die. And he's dead.
Okay.
My little buddy.
Oh Lord. His leg fell off.
Let me see the leg.
I broke it.
Let me see the leg.
I broke it.
Wait, let me see. Wait, we have to get it.
I broke it.
Wait, where is it?
It's right there. Is it? Oh, the leg?
Let me
It's
see
right
it.
here. The leg is right here.
I can't even see it.
Why?
Oh yeah, there they are. Two
Okay,
leg buds.
we need to get a new pair of pants.
Megan.
Oh no. Hi.